Sup guys, I'm currently doing this off of my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. See? Yes, it is on my phone. It is not live. But I wanted to show all of you what I just got yesterday. It is an X shot, but it's also a long shot. And the best thing about it is that you can literally hit people from across the field if you wanted to. Like, if you're going to short, you can hit somebody else, like a neighbor, right next to you, if you wanted to. But like I was saying, here it is. Also, yes, I just made a gun thing for it out of styrofoam. So here's the X shot. You can get this from Walmart. That's one of the magazines. That's for the tiny bullets that is in here. That hole is so that I can shoot them in there. And the rest of them are actually in that box, like you saw. So, I think it's awesome, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. Also, the strap here, that's right here. That is from my duffel bag. That one right there. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like in here. This is what I used to keep in here, was Legos and other stuff like that. But it also used to be remotes. And now I moved to my bed. There's all the darts there, small ones and long ones. This one goes with that short one over there. And then this is for the long magazine. This thing is huge when I put it together. I don't know what happened to my other one of these. I'll have to go find it. But I love being able to have this. I just got this yesterday, like I said. I'll show you what it looks like on me. And I'll show you all about it. I'll even tell you all about it. But before I do that, I want to thank the people that helped me, which was my legal guardian and my caregiver. Thanks to them, and shout out to them. Also, for the people that have really helped me in the years, thank you to all of you for being there. Now, before I show you that, I'm going to show you the Lego sets, just to remind you of what I've done. That's one. That's another set, plus that one. That's Obi-Wan. That set is also that one. That set was actually 3-in-1. Here's a rescue helicopter. Sorry, this was all of what came out for that. All my Hot Wheels. Yeah, there's some up there. I got this one about 2 months ago. So it can, well, as it looks, do that. The dragon is currently taken apart. And I made like a little scanner thing out of it for whenever I play with Legos. Newton's Cradle. I did not build that. That's actually pretty cool to play with. For those that didn't know what a Newton's Cradle does, now you do. That monster truck in the back, that was a birthday gift. Spider-Man's. Whoever can guess all of those and get it right, let me know, because I don't know what their names are right now. All of the Avengers, or most of them anyway. I believe there's 5 Avengers on that one. Good luck trying to guess all of them. I don't know how to play on a scale of 1 to T-Rex. I've never played that. So it's still up there. Over there is Charlie, and there's Marshmallow. They both hate this type of gun. In fact, they hate any type of gun. Watch who pops up as soon as I squeak this banana. Oh, Marshmallow normally comes to the gate. See, now he's trying to get in. He's like, wait, what? You have the squeaker, I hear it. And it plays hard, too. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and get the stuff on, and I'll even show you how I put it on. Sorry, I'm using the cup so that way it'll hold my phone up. So, as soon as I get that done, hold on, there's stuff in my way. Jeez, this phone does not want to stay put. So, I'm gonna have to try it this way. Oh, but it'll stay put that way. That's convenient. Alright. So how I got this done was with a pair of scissors. Tiny one. This just helps it fit into the gun. Now you want to line up these arrows there. I don't know if you can see that very well. With those ones on here. And it goes just like that. Load it up. I'm going to put 2 just for the fun of it. But I can hold a whole bunch more than that. I'll put 2 in here as well. I believe that these can actually hold about 20 rounds. Oh, I didn't show you guys what the silencer looks like. This goes with this. And that becomes a silencer. Or a suppressor, whichever way you like it. Now, I found this outside, and I call it a special bullet. So that will actually be going in first, and then I'm gonna use the other one on top. To my parents and everybody else, I love you. Alright, let's get this out. Alright, so here's the gun. I am now taking it out of its case. With the strap on here, makes it a lot easier for me to just wear it instead of doing anything else. Now the strap, you can adjust it if you need to, but I don't need to, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. So now I am going to put the suppressor on. I'm also using my mirror to help me out. And then I'm going to put the big magazine inside. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'm going to try my best to show you how fast it goes. Because this piece here actually has spiral inside. It also has safety. and you can rapid fire it. I'm going to show you rapid fire later. I gotta put the scope on. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. So I've got to load it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. They easily take it out. Orange sling in the back. So say like you need to rapid fire, right? I'm gonna do it with small bullets just because it's fun. What you do is you want to load it once. Take off safety. And then put your bullet. Once you pull the trigger, you just keep pumping. That one lets you know that's empty. And so that's how that goes. Thank you for watching, and remember, pick up trash because nature doesn't like it. And protect nature always.